So it's 6:52 and my sister and I wanted to leave at 7 and I'm not even ready. I still have to go eat. So that's fine. Good morning, everyone. I'm literally looking dead today.
What the freak was that?
Something else you need to be slow. You kind of need to be slow, right? Yeah. Wait, what do I have to put now? Wait, Marissa, do you have to be slow? This is a slapper, okay? Have you heard the song? Ready? No. Okay guys, so I felt like I should explain something. Okay, so right now, we're going to McKenna's house, and she got a new puppy, and it's Saint Bernoodle.
So it's a Saint Bernard and
a poodle. And a poodle. So it's combined, and I'm super excited. It's like did she say 12 weeks? I don't remember. Pretty sure she said 12 weeks.
They go for holders.
So yeah, we're like 2 seconds away actually, but like almost there. Super excited, and hope you enjoy. Yeah.
Sick.
Okay. I think. Oh my god. Hey everyone. Currently struggling. Yeah. It's 7:50 p.m. right now. And I could lie and say, but I could also tell you the truth. So I'm going to tell you the truth. So we got this lab in chem, and our teacher had to like redo it, I guess, or like fix it, so like, and it's due tomorrow, and we got it today. That makes me happy. And then there's this other lab we have to do that I'm almost done with, but like I haven't finished it, and it's called the equipment lab, and you're supposed to do 40 equipment tools, whatever, writing their name, their purpose, and a picture. Love that, right? So I'm like actually pulling an all-nighter tonight. I always say I'm going to, but I never do, because I don't think I could like ever actually do it. But tonight is one of those nights. Haven't had coffee, haven't had anything. You know, I'm just going on my own will and hope. And I had a bowling match today. So that was fun. That made me like miss half of Okay, so I'm like talking to you guys, but like I know what I'm saying. Trust me. Just kidding that I don't. Okay, why does my camera look like that? Better, but I think it is. If it's not, I'm sorry. Maybe it's just the lighting. Anyways, what was I saying? My bowling match. So I had one, so I got like a late start on this, other than everyone else. So that's fun. Love that. Yeah. So today is obviously Vlogmas. I uploaded a video yesterday. If you have not already, go check it out. It will be in the description box below. Maybe if I feel like putting it in there, might not. So you can just go to my account and yeah, you know. I did a boring, right? Boring stuff, yeah. It was supposed to be fun. It was supposed to be my family and I going downtown and like chilling at shops, but was not that at all. We literally didn't even go downtown, so that's fun. I love that. We out here, we back. It's 9 o'clock. I think I don't know when I started filming my last one. Okay, I literally get this all the time. Anyway, so yeah, 9 o'clock. I have like 22 or something more to go. Love it. I'm gonna share all the work I have accomplished just to make you maybe feel better. It kind of makes me feel good about myself anyway. So I have this. See, sisters. Oh, you know I ain't done. Okay, so like I had to skip this because like I can't fit. I haven't done it, but I can't fit this one on that side. Okay, we are back and it's 10 o'clock now. So the thing is that like when you record, you know, it's like the timing is like so different. Because like I'm gonna go from 9 o'clock and then like 2 minutes later, and then like, no, I mean 2 seconds later, it's gonna be 10 o'clock, you know? So you're gonna think like, oh, that was nothing. But it was a whole hour. I'm doing pretty well. This is my like 22, I think. Let me see how many I had this time. I have like 17. I'm doing pretty well. 17 like a half because I haven't finished one. My dad just walked in. My doorstep. He knocks. He's like a very light knock, and I'm like, yes. And he walks in, and he's like with this orange, and he's like, I brought you something. How sweet. Okay, hey queens. Guess what time it is? 11, and I just took off my makeup, so my face is really red if you could tell.